Let me get all my shit together. Why am I recording this? You don't want to see me struggling, or do you? Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm talking all about the May Boxycharm. Don't you want to see what I got? Stick around. Okay, so this box, you guys, is I think probably the best box that I've gotten. Everything is a win. I'm super excited. The first thing is this GLAMGLOW Gentle Bubble Cleanser. It retails for $28. It says it's a daily conditioning gel cleanser that effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. So I have been using this for the last couple days, you know, since I got the box, and it doesn't have a strong fragrance. It actually does remove makeup. It gently foams, but not like a whole lot. It's a full-size container, which I'm pumped about. I've never used any GLAMGLOW products before, I don't think, because you know, it's like, it seems gimmicky to me, you know what I mean? Like shiny, blue, silvery, glitter. Glitter is not skincare, y'all. But this is really good. It's just a gentle cleanser. I like it. It's good. This is good. The next thing that I got in the box that I squealed when I saw it is this Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. This retails for $22. The color that I got, luckily, is the Fair Light combo. So I think there's 3 different versions of this palette. This is the Fair Light one, so it's like lighter colors. Beautiful. I don't have anything of these like orangey nectarine tones, right? So the colors are called Castaway, Paraiso, and Scorcher. So I'm going to apply a little bit today. I don't have any blush on, so let's put some on. I'm gonna go in, I think I'm gonna just kind of mix these two because I don't want to get too orangey, you know what I'm saying? I have used these a few times. The colors are beautiful, and there's like a little tiny bit of a sheen. I mean, look at it! I do have on some highlighter. I have the Fenty Hustla Baby Kilowatt highlighter. I'm gonna list everything that I also have on my face down in the description box. But this one is like, it's like a peach is what I would describe it as. It's got like a gold reflect, but definitely peach. So I think it works nicely with this peachy blush. Yeah, it's like a true peach color. I just said peach 8 million times.
Ooh, me like it.
Alamar Cosmetics, man, watch out. They are on fire, and I love it. Next is this Ciate London Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. This retails for $22. Looks like a lip gloss, however, not a lip gloss. It's for your eyes. Long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. I have worn this one time. It performed beautifully. I wish I would have like taken some snaps or some Insta stories about it so that you could see. The color I got is called Cupid, and it's like a super pale lavender with gold iridescent reflect. Stunning, stunning. But what I'm gonna do today is just kind of, you know, like a gentle wash, not anything too crazy, right? So what I have on my eyelids right now is just like a concealer and just a little touch of contour in the crease. It's a doe foot applicator. I'm going to dab it on. Gosh, it is so pretty. I'm gonna dab it on, and then before it dries, I'm blending the edges. And it does dry down all the way. I was nervous that this was gonna be like a lip gloss, you know what I mean? And not ever really dry, be sticky, or that the glitter would, you know, transfer all around, be falling on my face. No. So you can see it doesn't really put on any color. It's a light wash. I mean, if you built it up, I'm sure it would just come off like this color. It's so pretty. It's just very cute. It's like very subtle, I think. I mean, the way that I applied it is subtle. Like I said, you could build this up for like full coverage glittery goodness, or you could, you know, do whatever you want. You know, it would be really pretty if you used one of these colors as an eyeshadow or a crease color to help kind of tie in your blush. That'd be stunning. Let me swatch a little bit on the back of my hand so you can see it up close. My hair is so dirty, you guys. OMG. This is all an illusion. This is all an illusion. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this Bodyography Eyeliner Pencil. I've had these before. This retails for $14. It's called Midnight Blue. I really like a navy blue pencil. It's, you know, just a little bit of interest. You know, you can put it in your waterline. You could use it as an eyeliner on the top. Maybe we'll do like a little hint of a wing, huh? What's gotten into me lately with all this wing action? I'm out of my mind, that's what. It's cute. It's cute. I mean, I have white eyelashes, so I'm gonna have to run some liner or mascara over my white eyelashes so it doesn't look ridiculous. So this liner pencil is not going to glide on like the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil or the Pixie, what is this called? Or the Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen. It's not that soft, which is good because sometimes these can like be too soft. These are great for waterlines, but for like tops, especially if you don't want it to like totally smudge away, this is a really great texture. I like it. It's not like a black blue. It's more of like a cobalt. I'm gonna take a break for a second and put on mascara, and I'm gonna pop on some lashes too just because I'm feeling spicy, and I'll be right back. Okay, so mascara and lashes are on. The lashes that I'm wearing today also came in a previous Boxycharm. Everything's gonna be listed down below. Next and last is this liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors. So this is the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, and this color is Merlot. These retail for $18. I'm typically afraid of darker lipsticks, but I am trying to kind of get out of my comfort zone a little bit more, and I tried to do a more subtle eye look even though my lashes are like pow today. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna rock this dark lipstick. This color is really pretty. It reminds me a lot of the ColourPop matte liquid lipstick in London Fog, which I know either has been discontinued or has been sold out for freaking ever. Actually, do I have it over there? Hang on, let me grab it. We'll do a comparison. Oh, see now, like the Dose of Colors container is frosted glass, so I can't just like do this number. Let me do a swatcheroo. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Do you see? I mean, this color on the outside of my hand here is the Dose of Colors Merlot, and then the inboard one is London Fog Ultra Satin Lip. That's what that is. Very similar, and I'll tell you what, this is probably gonna wear a little bit more comfortable, and it's also all over my teeth. What are my thoughts on this month's Boxycharm? I mean, everything I love. We've got the GLAMGLOW cleanser. We have the blush trio, we have the eye pencil, we have the liquid lipstick, and we have the cream eyeshadow, which I really love. This month's Boxycharm is a home run, I think. So thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, then please let me know with a thumbs up down below. If you don't know where to subscribe to Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. Make sure you follow me on all the other socials. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, and I upload here on YouTube every Thursday at noon. Ring the notification bell down below that sends a notice to your phone so that you don't miss any of my uploads, even though I'm very rigid and I'm on a schedule because I'm a Virgo. Must schedule everything. All right, I will catch you in the next video. Bye! I don't like having all this stuff in the background, then you can see my secrets. Is that even? Nope. My nose is running. I don't know what I'm talking about. Disregard all that shit. Delete. Nope, can't. Lights are far too bright. Hang on, let's turn them down. Lipstick all over my teeth. Son of a bitch. Definitely makeup in my hair. Is it only this one color? No. Sorry, I don't have my life together. Somebody asked me, do you try to make sure that you have bloopers? I don't need to try, girl. I am all bloops all day. All of this is just me not knowing what I'm doing.